Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Wednesday 13th of April. If you guys are interested in taking a technical analysis course, please do check out my course. It's 29 bucks. If you want to pay with crypto, join the Discord and message me on the Discord. Okay, now let's dive into the Bitcoin charts right here, and let's talk about the Bitcoin and what is going on. So basically, what I see for Bitcoin is I just opened up the RSI and I see the RSI having a very strong level on the RSI. Okay, so the 35 is a very strong support on the RSI historically for Bitcoin actually. Okay, but one thing is that we cannot just use RSI to predict everything. Okay, we have to combine more technical factors like candlestick reading, the trend lines, and the chart pattern as well. So before I dive into the RSI as well, let's talk about the trend line. Yesterday I talked about the trend line. We lost the trend line. We really lost the trend line. So that's not good. That's not good at all. So today is potentially a day where we could see Bitcoin maybe going back into the trend line because of the strong support from the RSI, and this one being a fake out. Because let me tell you one more thing, you do have a chance for making a fake out and going to the upside. I'm going to tell you why. The reason why you still have a chance to make a fake out is because in here, first of all, simple reason is when you start to break before 80% of the apex. I mean, if it starts to break here, somewhere here in 18th of May to the downside, maybe that's a real break to the downside. But when you're breaking before, like 60% before the apex, that actually has a chance to be a fake out, be it to the upside fake out, be it to the downside fake out. Do you get my point? And the reason why this can be a fake out, of course, yesterday we talked about how Bitcoin is in trouble, and this is where the stop loss should be placed, $39,200. That's where I would be placing my stop losses. If it starts to lose this level, now let's dive into the RSI and let's talk why, if we lose this level, it could be bad on the RSI as well. So let me bring the RSI and let me actually zoom in into the RSI. Okay, so I do see a very strong bounce off of this level. Do you see that? So the RSI has found like a double bottom as well. Okay, so just the same way we trade Bitcoin, the same way we can trade the RSI as well. So you can have, you see, this was an influence where you bounced off and you went to the upside. Okay, so that's a strong support level. You just came down to that support level, you bounced off it, went to the upside. Let's say on the chart pattern you start to lose 39,200 and you take this stop loss to go to the downside. That also means that potentially you might start to lose this level on the RSI, and this is going to be your next big level of support, which is going to be the 20.59, and that's the best level ever that someone can buy, in my opinion, because historically for Bitcoin this one has always been good. But you can see the 35, if I actually try to stretch this one before in here as well, this one has always acted like big support. Now let's say what you see right over here, this one, two supports over here, is almost the same as what you see right over here. Do you see that? You came down to the support level 35 again, 34, bounced off it, went to the upside, went for the retracement, bounced off it, and then you went to the upside. So you did the same. You went to this level, bounced off it, you went up, came to retracement, same scenario just like you did back in the days right over here. Okay, so if you start to lose this one, 30, 35, 34 levels, and you start to lose 39, they are both actually matching one another to point to the downside. And who knows, go to $37,000, 36, it doesn't matter. But I would be looking for a big support on the RSI once again, and to me that would be this level over here. So if I actually draw this huge trend line of the RSI, the buying would start to be from the 22 level. So if it does come to the 22 level, I will be considering buying. Okay, but not only that one, I will still be looking at other technical factors before buying. If we have a reversal candlestick or reversal chart patterns as well, combine those things, combine the RSI, that will offer a nice good entry opportunity for myself. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video update. If you guys want to learn more about the RSI in details, you can check out the course. It's really explained not only the RSI, but we've talked about many more indicators. Okay, like the Bollinger Bands, Gaussian channel, volume, and whatnot. By the way, let me show you the Gaussian channel as well on the daily. Okay, so the Gaussian channel on the daily, you're almost at the lowest part of it. Okay, so if you start to lose 39,200 and you potentially go to lose the lowest band of the Bollinger Band, which is 38,400, that's really bad. Historically, when you lose the lowest part of the Bollinger Bands, that actually screams for a bear market potentially. So that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.